So you saw how easy our short bar was to adjust. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the long bar. The long bar is the long dimension of your frame, assuming that your wheel section and or sheet car is shaped like a rectangle more often than not. These, again, no tools, no pull pins, nothing. It's simply a cam over paddle, which raises, this is a top load clamp frame, so it's going to raise the frame, the bar above the short bar and allow us to move it back and forth. These are not tied together, so we can actually push them out of square if your tool is not on flattened square. But I would recommend pushing these in the middle, and they travel back and forth. In order to lock them right back down, we're engaging on the lock, we're engaging teeth on a piece of gear rack, 1/8 inch gear rack. Again, super easy. Cammed over, locked in place.